Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the graphing of mathematical equation, especially linear equation. We can plot a set of points to represent an equation. When such a points contain both an x variable and y variable, it is called an equation in two variables. Its graph is called a graph in two variable. Any graph on a two-dimensional plane is a graph in two variables. Let's see the stepwise procedures to graph the first degree equation, or what we can say that a linear equation. The first step is to construct a set of rectangular axes showing the scale and the variable represented by each axis, that is coordinate axis OX and Y OY, are ruled on the sheet of a graph paper and definite scale of measurement is selected. Then the second step, that is find two ordered pairs that are the solution of the equation which is to be graphed by assigning any convenient value to one of the variable and determining the corresponding value of the each variable. Thirdly, each pair of the value from the table obtained from the function is plotted as a point on the graph paper. Fourthly, draw the straight line through the point, that is freehand curve drawn through them. Either the collection of the plotted points or the freehand curve is called graph of a function. And finally, check and verify that it lies on the line or not. So these are the various steps to graph the first degree equation. Let's start with a numerical example of a graphing of a function, that is equation x plus 2y is equal to 7. We can begin by substituting a value for x into the equation and determining the resulting value of y. Let us assuming that value of x is equal to 0 and substituting on the above equation, that is x plus 2y is equal to 7. So when value of x is equal to 0, then the equation will become 2y is equal to 7 and y is equal to 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5. So the first coordinate are the value of x is equal to 0 and value of y is equal to 3.5. Similarly, we are assuming that the value of y is equal to 0, then substituting value of y is equal to 0 on the above equation, that is x plus 2y is equal to 7, then the value of x will be x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 7. So that is x is equal to 7. So the coordinates are 7 and 0. Now after getting these coordinates, each pair of x and y values is an ordered pair that can be plotted on the graph. So the first ordered pair is 0 and 3.5. So we can plot it on here, that is 0 from the origin, that is x on origin, and 3.5 on the y, that is 3.5 unit up from the origin. So this is the point. Then the second ordered pair is the 7 0. So 7 unit to the right of on the x axis and 0 on the y axis, that is here, this is the point 7 0. After plotting the points on the graph paper, draw a straight line through the points, that is a freehand curve that can be drawn through them. So this is the line which is shown here for the equation of x plus 2y is equal to 7. Now considering the another equation, that is y is equal to 2x minus 1, and we want to graph this equation, that is y is equal to 2x minus 1. And we can begin by substituting the value for x into the equation and determine the resulting value of y. Let us assuming that we are assuming the value of x from minus 3 to 3 plus 3, and resulting values of y are, if you substitute x is equal to minus 3, then value of y is equal to minus 7. And if you substitute the value of x is equal to minus 2, then value of y is equal to minus 5. If you substitute the value of x is equal to minus 1, then y will be minus 3. If you substitute x is equal to 0, then it will be minus 1. Then if it is 1, then value of y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 2, then value of y is equal to 3. And if you take the value of x is equal to 3, then y will become 5. So the points or ordered points or pairs are given here, that is minus 3, minus 7, minus 2, minus 5, minus 1, minus 3, 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, then 3 and 5. Then after getting these ordered pairs, each pair of x and y values is ordered pair that can be plotted on the graph paper. And we know how to plot on the graph. After plotting on the graph paper, draw a straight line through the each and every ordered pair points. Then we will get a straight line, and which is the graphing of the equation y is equal to 2x minus 1. Now we have a special kind of a linear equation. For example, y is equal to 2, which is in the form of a constant function, that is f of x is equal to c, and can be written as 0x plus y is equal to 2, and can be considered a linear equation in two variables where the coefficient of x is 0. The solution of 0x plus y is equal to 2 by assuming x is equal to minus 2, 0 and 2, evaluating any value of x such as x is equal to minus 2, 0 or 2, 3, 4, any value, then we will get a same answer, that is 2, that is y is equal to 2. Let us assuming that we are taking the x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to 2. If we are taking 0, then y is equal to 2. If we are taking x is equal to 2, then also we are getting y is equal to 2. Now we have an ordered pair r minus 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2. Plot on the graph paper and draw the line joining each points. We will have a horizontal line shown like this. In this form, it is clear that the slope is 0, and this is a special kind of a linear equation. As against the previous case, we have a one more special case of a linear equation, that is, for example, equation x is equal to 2, which is in the form of a constant function, that is f of y is equal to c, and can be written as x plus 0 y is equal to 2, and can be considered a linear equation in two variables where the coefficient of y is equal to 0. The solution of x plus 0 y is equal to 2 by assuming y is equal to minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2 and 4 or any other value for y, we will get a same answer, that is 2. So now we have an ordered pairs are 2 minus 4, 2 minus 2, 2 0, 2 2 and 2 4, and plot on a graph and draw the line joining the each point. We will have a vertical line shown like this. This is also one of a special case of a linear equation. In the above examples, the value we used for x were chosen at random. We could have used any value of x to find the solution to the equation. The graph of first degree equation in two variables are always straight line. Therefore, such equations are always also referred to as linear equation. In fact, each linear equation in two variables has an infinite number of solutions whose graph lies on a line. However, we only need to find two solutions because only 2 points are necessary to determine any straight line. I hope you are clear about how to graph the first degree equation or a linear equation and what are the various steps to graph this equation. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.